everyone. Thank you for the time that has been given to me to present my research proposal. My name is Mas Devi Ralaia. So before I explain the research proposal, first of all, the Honorable of Chair of English Education Study Program, Mr. Elwin Piarawan Zebo SPD MPD, and also as my advisor of research proposal. The Honorable the Secretaries of English Education Study Program, Mr. Afore Tahir Harefa SPD M Home, and also the Honorable Mr. Adi Eli Lauli SPD MPD as my examiner. My title in this research proposal is Improving the Students' Ability in Reading Comprehension on Narrative Text through Keyword Method at the 10th grade of SMK Negeri 1 Sogai Adu in 2022 and 2023. In my research proposal, there are 3 chapters. The chapter 1 is Introduction, the chapter 2 is Literature Review, and the chapter 3 about Research Method. So, let me present one by one. The first is chapter 1. It is about Introduction. In chapter 1, there are some discussing, namely background of the problem, identification of problem, limitation of the problem, and formulation of problem. So the first one is background of the problem. In the background, I will explain reading, especially in reading comprehension. Reading is a process of understanding the content or meaning contained in a language text. Based on the statement by Christia and Fitria, reading is both an activity and a process for using reading text processing skills to comprehend what is being read. So, reading has a very important role in supporting students' ability in learning, so that students can follow the learning process properly. In the process of reading, the ability to understand the contents of the reading is very necessary, so that the message and information conveyed by the author can be achieved by the reader. Reading comprehensions is needed to be mastered by students so that the learning process, especially in English, can be conveyed properly. But in reality, many students experience problems in the learning process, especially those related to reading activities. This is because the ability to understand of students in reading is still low. So based on the results of observation that I have made during my internship at SMK Negeri 1 Sogai Adu, there are several obstacles experienced by students which is become problems in reading. This can be seen in the learning process where students can't understand the contents of a text that is read. Based on the preliminary observations, this is caused by the low ability to understand. The difficulty of this understanding for students is caused by the ability of students to find main ideas in English texts. In addition, students also experience difficulties in finding indirect information in the text that asked by a teacher which is still relevant to the context. Another thing that becomes an obstacle in reading comprehensions of English text is the lack of vocabulary possessed by students. Therefore, students are required to master these skills in order to understand the text and be able to answer questions correctly. The next is identification of the problem. So based on the background of the problem, I made a problem identifications consisting of 4 problems identifications, which we can see as follows. The problems that has been identified include the students are not able to determine the main idea. The students are lack of vocabulary. The students are not able to recognize or predict the content of the text. And the last is the students are not able to locate the generic structure of narrative text. Next is limitation of the problem. The limitation of the problem in this research is focus on improving the students' reading comprehension, especially on narrative text by using keyword method in 10th grade of SMK Negeri 1 Sogai Adu. So limitation of the problem in this research is made to focus this research on solving students' problems, namely by increasing or improving students' abilities in reading comprehension. Next is formulation of the problem. The formulation of the problem in this research is how does the keyword method improve students' reading comprehensions, specifically in narrative text in 10th grade of SMK Negeri 1 Sogai Adu in 2022 and 2023. Based on the background of the problem and identification of the problem, the researcher used keyword method to solve the problem. So, according to Mengistu 2019, keyword method is a method in the form of a mnemonic which is implemented by juxtaposing a new words with a keyword that already known and has a similar sound. In keyword method, students will be guided to connect new words with keywords that are already known so that it can make it easier for students to remember new words and also meaning every time students found it. And also in reading activities, these keywords will represent and give meaning to a text, so students can easy to understand what the text is meaning. In this research, the researcher will be apply the classroom action research as a research method. According to Gaspers and Toseza 2020, state that classroom action research or CAR is research that is reflective in nature by taking certain actions with the intention of improving or increasing learning practice that are carried out in a more professional manner in class. So, based on the statement by Gaspers and Toseza, the researcher will apply the classroom action research to solving problems in the classroom that are found by researcher so that they can make improvements in classroom learning practice. The next is procedure of the research. According to Burns, in Marsafani and Habibah Nisha 2022, state that classroom action research or CAR is conducted for steps. The first is planning, action, observing, and reflection. The first step is planning. In this step, the researcher will prepare several things. For example, planning the learning strategy used, providing teaching materials, and selecting and determining the assessment criteria to be used. The second step is action. In this step, the researcher will act as an English teacher and carry out the teaching learning process by implementing the previous design in the first step. The third step is observing. In this step, researcher will observe events in the classroom, such as teacher-student interactions and between students and other students, to collect data and information to provide input when reflecting on activities that have been carried out in action stage. The fourth or the last step is reflections. In this step, the researcher will be analyzing the interpretations explained based on the data and information obtained from observing the activities carried out in the actions step. Next is instrument of the research. In this research, the researcher will be use 3 instruments to conduct this research. The first is observation sheet, field notes, and the last is evaluation sheet. Data analysis technique. In this research, the researcher will use 2 techniques to analyze the data. The first is qualitative data analysis and quantitative data analysis. In qualitative data analysis, the researcher will use to analyze the data obtained from the result of the observation sheets during the learning process. The data will be analyzed by researcher in several stages as follows: data reduction, data presentation, and the last is take conclusion. Well, that's all my explanation of my research proposal, and thank you.